Hello everyone, today I just wanted to quickly talk about this ladder I got for my above ground pool. As you guys can see, the main purpose I got this for this rail which prevents the kids climbing up. As you can see right now, I am pulling it up and it will not go up because it has this nice system here. The lock came with it, so once you are done, you don't want the kids go up, so you would just push this thing inside, and with the provided lock you can just slide this in, lock it, and put the keys away, and as you can see, it will not go. So once you are ready to go in, you put this there, push it out. As you can see, the ladders are there. So you have an option to put this here to make it more stable, but I didn't want to make a hole on the pole. So as you can see, it is like I am shaking right now. It's not really moving much, so which is really good. And here on the bottom part, it doesn't take too much space from the side, so you can see it just, you can go nicely. And on top here, this part, in case you won't use it, you can assemble. So here the steps are really secure. I'm like 220 pound, and this is holding me well. You can see here you can have nice seating area here. You would just sit here and slightly go down from there. It works really well. So, and the handles are really secure, and this is the second year we are using this, and it performs really well. I hope this video helpful for you guys, and once you're done, you will just, you can see, just close like this. Thank you for watching.